Hello, you join me and my increasingly impressive beard inside the new Audi S3. This is the facelift, that means it's had a power bump all the way up to 245 kilowatts, 420 Newton meters. Now you've made it to this point and you're listening to me talking because you clicked on the thumbnail. And I'm sure when you did that, when you read the YouTube title, you thought to yourself, this is a bit of a weird matchup. But let me explain what we're doing here. Now with Chinese PHEVs, of which the Omoda C9 is one, they keep claiming, or they claim that these power figures are massive. For the Omoda C9, they claim 440 kilowatts and 950 Newton meters. Now what we think is happening is they're just adding up all the motors together. So that car has 3 electric motors and a petrol motor, and they all work together to make the car go forward and backwards. But we think that in the real world, it's actually not the case. So what we did was get 2 cars which have very similar 0 to 100 times, about 4.9 seconds. We thought we put them on a real drag strip and we'll see what actually happens. Now I think what's going to happen here, because aerodynamics do play quite a big role, especially when you start getting into the higher speeds, I think we're going to run neck and neck for a bit, and then I think the Audi is just going to pull a little bit. A big factor here is weight. I'm at about 1.5 tons, not personally, although I'm close, and Dave's at about 1.9 tons. But again, they claim almost double the kilowatts in that car and double the torque, actually more than double the torque. Okay, so I think that's me and my spiel done. DVT.
Hello, good afternoon, Chiro.
All right, what do you think's going to happen?
I don't know. Like, I've tested both of those cars, and based on my testing data, they're neck and neck. The Audi does pull away top end, but this thing off the line is an absolute bullet.
All right, I'm glad you're launching that thing. Dave is our launch control whisperer. He's taught me how to launch this one, and that means, I think, Sean, that we are ready.
Dave, ready?
It's my first time driving this S3 since it's been at the office.
In 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Oh, geez, that thing's quite quick.
Bye-bye. Bye, Chiro.
Holy moly, I can't believe how quick that thing is. It's huge.
Come on, I need the petrol motor to kick in now.
It's for neck and neck now.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. I think I've got him.
They went across the line at the same time.
Got him behind those.
I think the motor got me.
We got him! We got him!
Oh my word.
That was absolutely beautifully perfect. I think it was me by a nose, yeah?
Yeah, you got me. But what does this mean? I'm so confused. What does it all mean?
3 electric motors. This is the future, my friend. This is the future.
Well, in the future, when it's out of warranty, no one's going to be able to fix it, which is fun.
That's, that's future Dave problems. Also, would just like to point out that my average fuel consumption is 7 liters per 100.
Mine's 15.2.
Sean, there's a guy in the YouTube comments asking that you don't say, let's go, instead of just 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, that's fine, guys. 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Oh, we're away.
Right, this is a bit closer.
I think I got him on the jump there.
Damn it, he's got ahead of me.
Is he going to come back?
Oh,
No, I don't think so.
I'm staying with him though.
I think I just got him on that one.
Audi had a slightly better launch there. Well done, Chiro, good job. I think I just have to launch at like 3, 2, 1 and then release.
Yeah, I think in their motor though, drivetrain heat plays a big role.
Yeah, look, and the battery life is being eaten. I mean, we started out today at 78%, so I'm already at 68. So I've got the engine to try to top the battery up as we go.
Let's maybe do best of 3 because it's 1 each now.
3, 2, 1, go. Got him off the launch. Right, come on, Omoda.
Oh, that's a good launch. We left them at the same time. The C9 is slowing down a little bit though.
No, he's pulling away. Come on, stay with him.
Yeah, I think he's got drivetrain heat issues.
Petrol engine, I need you now. Oh, it just pulls away.
And I got him.
So close. So close. It's within half a car length.
Bit of a weird victory though. I mean, I am in an S3. I don't know, what does any of this mean?
That is so close because my petrol engine is coming on and then I stay with you. But you're already half a car length ahead. So it's so close. Like I wouldn't want to be an S3 owner and get pounced upon by an Omoda C9.
I think what we've proven today is that large Chinese PHEVs are fast. So usually you guys ask for a rolling race, so we would like to provide one for you. Now, this negates the launch issues that Dave might be having because PHEVs are tricky to launch. My car is extremely easy to launch control, left foot on the brake, right foot on the loud pedal, go. Okay guys, Audi's ready.
Dear Omoda, if you're watching this, please fit launch control into your car so I don't look like an idiot.
All right, let's set off. Okay, 10 k's an hour, 20, 30, I'm at 30, 3, 2, 1, go!
Wow, the in-gear is incredible.
Oh, look at that thing move!
Wow, I'm just gapped that S3.
Sheesh!
Oh, I'm gone. Oh, it's gone.
Okay,
This is a murder.
rolling race, definitely the C9 is quicker.
Wow, that in-gear is very strong in this car.
Yo, once that thing's moving, it's moving, eh?
Yeah, no, it absolutely takes off. Thank you for flying Omoda Airways.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much on that completely confusing conclusion. It's good alliteration there, 3 C's. It's time to end the show. Thanks very much for watching.
It's Cars.co.za here in another Cars.co.za production starring Cars.co.za and Cars.co.za. In this country, we don't just drive cars, we love cars. We love cars as much as you do. So slide into our DMs on WhatsApp. Let's find what moves you.